It's usually down there on this side. You'll see it once it engages. Little bugger. See? There we go. See? Now it's on. So now you start by breaking the thread while it's down on the floor. Parking brake is engaged. What the breaker bar is used for, it's used to break the initial lock on it. This is 150 pounds right here. It might be a little overkill, but I like to get more than I need. And you want to push down. See, and it broke right there. There you see? So you turn it off with the other ones. You don't want to take it off all the way though. You only want to break it so when you lift it, you can take it off easier. There we go. Best 30 bucks ever spent. Fuck it. I know your car is jacked up enough when you could do this. I always leave one of these out so I can know if the car is up enough. It's the jack point right there. So from that jack point right there, underneath the right control arm, I then put a floor jack there to hold it up. Underneath, I believe this the main A-frame. Could turn by hand now. Yeah, I gotta get those last two again. Truck looking nice. The jack that come with the cars right here came out. Now the weight of the car is down, you want to finish torquing it out. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then we're going to turn the car on, make sure all the lights go.